Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. So how did it go?
I feel much better today.
All right, no cavities.
Well, they had to take a bunch of stitches out from over. And so it's still a little bit tender, but I'm not as distracted as I was yesterday.
All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 002-317 State versus Romong Allen Flores. Can I have parties announced, please?
Duffy Pitlock for the state of Texas, Your Honor.
Robert Featherston representing Mr. Flores.
And are you Mr. Flores? Counsel, have you received all discovery and did you review it with your client?
We have, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Is there any application?
No, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Flores, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Your Honor, we are not exactly, I hope it's not terribly complicated. We have the one cause number ending in 317. There were 3 counts.
Yes.
So we are proceeding on count 1 and count 3. We are waiving and abandoning count 2, but because they are different punishment degrees, there's different sets of paperwork in front of the court.
All right. And are you waiving the enhancement or no?
Yes, Your Honor, the statements.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Flores, did you review the admonishments and waivers with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
And did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Right. So just one moment. And count 1, you're charged with evading arrest, detention with a vehicle. That's a 3rd-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. And count 3, you're charged with theft of property, $2,500 to $30,000. That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
By entering this plea, you are giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
In each of these counts?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as the factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
He is.
Mr. Flores, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Anyone promise you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. In each of the pleas, the state is waiving and abandoning the repeat enhancement paragraph and count 2. In the state jail felony, they're asking that your punishment be assessed at 119 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. There's to be restitution, if any, payable to Javier Leonardo, and there's to be no contact with him. And count 1, the state is asking that your punishment be assessed at a cap of 10 years in the prison. There are no applications. This case will run concurrently with the other count. So they're asking that the counts run concurrently. And they are asking that there be a judgment satisfied in 2025 CR 002-317, and that is count 3. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea?
That is, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in both places? Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to count one, how do you plea? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
To count three, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State any evidence.
State offers states exhibit 1 in all attachments at this time, Your Honor.
No objection, Your Honor.
All right. Did you review the waiver and consent to stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in, the right to remain silent?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to testimony and stipulations. The court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. Count, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty of each count. Counsel, let me write this down. All right, counsel, it takes 8 to 12 weeks for a PSI, but if you would like to just have this come back sooner and have me give you a shorter date and you can call your witnesses, I'll ask the state for any criminal history to be given to me at that time.
Your Honor, could we ask for 4 weeks?
Yes. All right, I need a 4-week reset. And are you waiving the PSI?
We are.
All right. Ms. Abrams, no PSI. All right, so we can go off the record. This is what's gonna happen on September 9th. The state will present witnesses if they have witnesses for the court. If they do not have witnesses, the only thing they're gonna present to me is your criminal history. They'll present that to me. And then your attorney, if you all wish to have witnesses for me to hear from those witnesses, I'll hear it at that time. And then I'll base my decision upon whatever evidence is presented to me. The evading, since the offer is a cap of 10, I can sentence you anywhere from 2 to 10 years in the prison. And with the other cause number, if I'm following your plea bargaining agreement, then it will be a judgment satisfied under that count. Do you have any questions? All right, thank you.
That be the TS case?
Yes, I'd like to do it at that date.
That's fine. Judge, thank you for your time.
You're welcome.
I didn't date it, so we'll just fill it in.
Oh, yeah, that's not the charge.
There's no PSI. Yes.
Or to the court, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Sticker on watch. Sticker on watch. You're live person.
Mm.
Yeah, I'll go back.
Who's here on Gustavo Jimenez?
President, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Judge.
Hi. So where is he?
He's currently sitting right here in the box.
Oh, come forward.
You can come forward. Puedes venir acá, you know.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you doing today? I'm so sorry. Our Odyssey, of course, you know, who knows? Some days it's working, some days it's not. Today, it looks as though it is not working.
There's some lag. Sorry, Your Honor. I've viewed it just as soon as yesterday evening. I agree There's been a bit of a lag. In my opinion, there's also been a little bit of a lag with the Bear County e-discovery system.
Mhm.
So I'm still waiting some of those reports to be downloaded, those videos. My client here, Mr. Gustavo Jimenez, was deemed competent, restored to competency July 24th, Magistrate Court Judge Rodriguez. Prior to that, he was at the Kerrville State Hospital for a year under that order of incompetency. So he's recently restored, Your Honor. This matter was brought back here recently
Mhm.
from the MAG court. But we're requesting a discovery hearing reset date, Your Honor, for me to be able to go into that. And I know the state is seeing where they're at with contact in terms of the complaining witnesses. This matter could potentially be set for August 26th, Judge. I'll be here on some other cases.
All right, and is he still on his medications?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, how are you feeling? Oh, that's good. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna call you back on August 26th. And that's to make sure that your attorney has all of the discovery he needs for your case. All right, do you have any questions about anything?
No,
All right, you're looking better. All right, so what's gonna end up happening, they'll take you back now, unless defense, you have more questions for him.
Oh, no, nothing further, Your Honor. We explained things and we're following up with the visit shortly in advance of the next court date.
All right, thank you. Thank you.
Have a good day.
Oh, you too. All right, Daryl Payne. Hello, Mr. Payne.
Yeah, definitely good.
And you're looking great. How are you doing?
Losing weight.
Oh, are you trying to lose weight?
Trying to put some on.
Okay,
But
well,
it sounds like a Holocaust.
no, you do not. Well, this is what I want you to do. If you feel that you're losing weight and you're not trying, you probably need to go see a doctor to see if there's something going on.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so make sure you get a doctor's appointment to address that, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, how's he doing?
So Judge, I spoke with Mr. Payne's brother and he's been doing well. He's working with the behavioral mental health personnel. A nurse came out to see him on the 1st. They're just trying to get him established with his shot.
Okay,
And they're trying to make progress in obtaining the approval to get the shots. So they are working on that. He is going to see his primary care physician in regards to his legs. They're pulling off, I believe, they said a lot of fluid. So
Yeah.
that's going well. He doesn't really go anywhere at this point. His brother doesn't feel necessarily comfortable with just letting him just, roam about.
Mhm.
So he's been staying at home pretty much. But he also said that he doesn't want to go downtown or anything like that, so he's content at this point. He has a probation appointment on the 19th. He is aware of that probation appointment.
You mind if I get a card?
That's PDFs.
oh, a card?
I think they're.
For my probation officer, a card and the time that
Take a look at it right now.
I'm supposed to be here.
I can write that down for you today.
Yes, we'll make sure that you
Yes,
have that,
ma'am.
okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So as of right now, everything seems to be good. I did ask Mr. Payne if he's doing his chores around the house. He said no.
I'm gonna try.
But his brother said that he's gonna work with him on that and compromise between the both.
I'm saying, right?
Not like.
Oh, that is awesome.
The
Do
button.
you have a, Norma, excuse me, can I get one of these blank notebooks?
I don't like those guys.
I told them.
And I think that's about it. Mr. Payne, did you have any, do you want me to come back?
I've been feeling kind of drowsy and moody, but the medication is making me feel moody.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So here's the thing, if the medication is giving you some sort of side effect,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
need to let your doctor know, okay?
Yes, ma'am. It's making me moody.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And he also, Mr. Payne's brother just said that he has a follow-up appointment on the 12th for his legs. So, right now, I think everything is going as planned. There are certain steps that still need to happen, obviously. But he's in a good spot right now.
I'm learning to appreciate my brother, Stephanie. Without him, I don't know if I could make it.
Oh,
Yeah.
well, that's good.
Yeah.
All right. So this is what I'm going to do. Here's a tablet,
Yes,
here's a
ma'am.
pen,
Yes, ma'am.
and you can put your notes in there and you can put your thoughts down if that's what you want to do, okay?
Yes, ma'am. I'll try to do that.
All right.
Thank you, Stephanie.
Welcome. And then Ms. Abrams will be able to write appointments
Yes,
down for
ma'am.
you, okay?
Sorry I came moody. The medicine is not agreeing with me. Feel a lot of pressure in the back of my head too.
Okay.
To notify, the nurse that's gonna come by.
Okay.
Thank you, Stephanie.
Oh, you're so welcome.
You have a pleasant afternoon.
Right. So just one second. I want to make sure that we get another status here with you to make sure the doctors are taking everything, okay? When do you want?
Compared to other ones.
All right. Let's do a 45-day. I need a 45-day reset.
Yes, ma'am.
He didn't. Get the key, he didn't even get the key.
All right. Ask his brother, if September 18th is good for him.
Mr. Payne, is September 18th good for you?
He's pretty extensive.
All right. So we'll come back on September 18th and that's to see how you're doing, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you for being nice, Stephanie.
Oh, you're so welcome. You were not moody to me today.
Just hold
All I
it.
wanna do is
Yeah.
The medicine, Stephanie, I'm telling you that medicine ain't agreeing with me.
All right.
I've been changed on so many
take him
different
and make him stay
medicines.
jail.
Yeah.
All right. So talk to,
12:44.
make sure you, however you're feeling with the medication, put the notes down. I have to do it too for me when I'm on meds. I put the notes down so they'll know how you feel. And then if something is not agreeing with you that you're eating, just write everything down so you can let the doctors know when you see you. Okay.
Problem.
All right. Thank you.
I have everybody in line, Judge, everybody's here.
All right. Thank you. All right. I'm going to take this one matter up because it's um, oh, and Norma, make sure he has this reset form.
Judge, I already called IT also because the monitor keeps on going in and out.
Yeah. Bye-bye. Oh, don't leave yet. They're going to give you your reset form, okay? All right. And Miss Abrams, you have Christopher Anthony Guerrero?
Yes, Judge.
Hello. How are you doing?
Great, how about you?
Oh, I'm doing good. I cannot complain.
That's good.
Currently alive. That's always a good start.
That's all that matters.
So Judge, this compliance hearing is regards to a referral outcome we received from felony drug court. Felony drug court said that Mr. Guerrero met the criteria, but he was rejected because he's not willing to participate in the program.
Mhm.
But Mr. Guerrero wanted to explain to the court why he doesn't necessarily want to participate and how he's come along on his probation thus far and what his plans are.
Yes.
Yes, okay, so, they, were telling me if I were to sign, right? I would have to, because I worked every day, right, 8 to 6, 8 in the morning to 6, and they said Monday I would have to go meet up with them at 8 in the morning. And Tuesday I would have to go meet up with them at 1 p.m. And then call every day, they said wherever I'm at, I would have to leave there within 2 hours, I have to go do UA.
Mhm.
Right, wherever I'm at, and this job, it's a new job that I started, you know.
Mhm.
And I'm the head household, I'm paying everything, and for me to risk that, you know, like, they said, you would have to put this first. Out of everything, you know, need your job or anything, and I told them, is there a way, to, like, work, like, you know, work away, you know, like, around it, they're like, well, there will be another opportunity, they were saying, there will always be another job out there, I was like, well, I'm paying the bill right now.
Mhm.
Not that I don't want to, I like the way you guys work, you know, to help people out and stuff. I've been sober for 9 months. I've been my probation officer, man, like we communicate so well. I've done so much already. I've done my GPS, I've done my parenting classes, I've done what else? Outpatient, I've done
So what are your thoughts?
Judge, I think, at this point, he's on monthly UAs. All of his UAs have been negative. He has completed sober outpatient treatment. Supportive outpatient treatment. He's made great progress in all of his classes. At this point, I think we just, continue with monthly UAs. And, just,
Has he,
supervise.
has he been doing his sober support meetings?
yes, every day. My probation gives me the papers
Mhm.
and write it down every day, and today I do it 5:30, you know.
All right, so here's the thing. Whether or not you end up in that program is going to be completely up to you. You need to make sure that you maintain your sobriety, you understand?
Of course, yes, ma'am.
All right. Is there anything else you need from us?
No, just remain
Yes,
probation.
yes, I'll remove that condition. All
Thank
right,
you, Judge.
thank you.
Do you want to remove or?
Just 1 second, I'll wait. State versus George Abaya. Can I have parties announced?
Rick Payne for the state of Texas.
Gonzalez, Mr. Abaya.
And are you Mr. Abaya?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, there's a request that a bond be set.
Yes, Your Honor.
Right, so I see on the docket that he had been remanded without bond for not appearing on the June 17th.
That's correct.
All right, and you all have agreed to a bond of 10,000?
Yes, correct, John.
All right, could you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Yes, ma'am.
State your name for the record.
John Abaya.
All right. So, Mr. Abaye, have you ever been previously deemed to be incompetent?
Mm.
All right, ever received any type of medication for mental health issues?
No, ma'am.
Ever seen a psychiatrist or doctor for mental health issues?
No.
Okay. Have you ever used any type of controlled substances or drugs in the past?
No, ma'am.
All right. So you were set on June 17th, 2024 in this court. Is there a reason you did not appear?
Yes, on the day of before, I lost my mom, and then before I could get over it, the next day I lost my dad in between 2 days in cover.
Mhm.
So since I'm the only boy, I had to do some runarounds with my uncle. And that's why it's called.
All right. Do you have documentation of this?
I do not, I do not with me, Judge, but if the court would like, I'm sure we could work on getting something.
All right. Well, have you verified that he's lost both of his parents during this time?
I have not, Judge, I have not. We just discussed this morning.
All right. Does somebody want to Google?
They are not in the States, Judge, is my understanding.
Yes, ma'am. They were in England, London.
Does somebody want to Google for the United Kingdom, deaths in the United Kingdom?
wants to do it, spending more time together, that's, they would have no objection. And then
All right, because this will, of course, help me make a decision on what the bond amount should be to ensure his appearance.
Okay, Judge.
All right. And I think you all may be able to discover that today. I'm sure England has something similar, maybe not to the United States, where you can Google and find out.
Okay, Judge.
All right, thank you.
All right, let's talk about that. This hearing with Judge Boyd was a long morning, but not without a few memorable moments. The first case, State v. Romong Allen Flores, started with a clear, methodical walkthrough from the judge making sure Mr. Flores understood every right he was giving up before entering his plea. She balanced efficiency with patience, moving through the legal formalities without rushing. Both attorneys seemed well prepared, and Mr. Flores himself stayed polite and responsive. Even if most of his answers were short and to the point, the state streamlined the case by dropping one count and an enhancement, and the plea agreement left sentencing on one charge capped, with another resolved in county time. Nothing flashy, just clean procedural work, but Judge Boyd made sure Flores knew exactly where things stood and when he'd be back for sentencing. Then we shifted gears to Gustavo Jimenez, recently restored to competency after a long stay at a state hospital. This was a reset hearing, and the tone was noticeably softer. Judge Boyd checked in on his medication and health, making sure the process wasn't leaving him behind. No grand legal sparring here, just the court making sure. The system is giving him a fair shot to participate in his own defense. Daryl Payne's check-in kept that human tone going. Here, Judge Boyd's benchside manner shown genuine concern for his health, a bit of practical advice about doctors, and even a lighthearted moment about doing chores. You can't fake that kind of rapport, and it matters for defendants trying to stay on track. Christopher Guerrero's situation was interesting. He'd been referred to a treatment court, but turned it down because of work conflicts. Instead of lecturing him, Judge Boyd listened, weighed his progress in probation, and ultimately decided to adjust conditions in a way that keeps him accountable without derailing his life. That's smart judging firm on the law, but flexible when circumstances make sense. Finally, there was George Abaya's bond discussion. This one got more tense. He'd missed a prior court date, and his explanation that both his parents passed away within 2 days was serious but unverified. Judge Boyd didn't dismiss his claim outright, but made it clear she needed proof before deciding on the bond. Practical, professional, and exactly the kind of measured response you want when balancing compassion and court obligations. Overall, this was classic Judge Boyd fare, organized, and willing to slow down when human issues intersect with legal ones. The attorneys mostly stayed in their lanes. The defendants ranged from quietly cooperative to openly conversational, and the atmosphere, while busy, never lost that undercurrent of respect. If you found this hearing insightful, consider subscribing, hitting the bell, and letting me know your thoughts in the comments below. I read every one.